Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix lag on Redmi smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So if you are facing lag, it means your storage is full. So firstly you have to clear some of the storage from your smartphone. Just remove unwanted and unuseful application, files, folder, photos, videos, audios and documents from your smartphone, and then you have to just delete some application and do a software update, and update all the applications, do a software update, turn off automatic updates and charge your phone properly and restart your smartphone. So this will fix your lag problem. So if it is does not solving it, you have to just do a soft reset. Go to the settings and then you have to click on search. Right here reset. So here it is factory reset. You have to do it with this factory reset. It will erase all your data from your smartphone, including your SD card and Gmail ID. So uh, before that you have to back up all the data. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.